In this video, I will show you a single terminal command that will get you a local WordPress installation up and running with Oxygen pre-installed and your AI agent already connected, running in a safe sandbox. This requires Node and this requires Docker. Both of those are easy to install, so I'll show you how to do that later, but let's demo it. So I'm going to open my terminal, and then I'm just going to type npm space create space oxygen-wp @latest. This is powered by Katalyst, which I will talk about later in the video, and this just asks us a couple questions and then is going to set up our Oxygen plus WordPress site. So it wants a site name. I'm just going to use the default, press enter. It asks where it should live. This is going to live in my home folder in a subfolder called katalyst-sites, so I can find it later, or I could use the arrow keys to specify I want somewhere else, but I'm just going to choose the default and I'll press enter. And then which AI agents should I install? So these are pre-installed. By the time you're watching this, they might support more agents. You can just press space to enable an agent. So I'm going to choose Claude Code and press enter. It's going to ask permission. I'm going to grant the permission. And now it's going to build the WordPress install and install Oxygen and connect Claude Code. So this will take a few minutes if it's the first time you've done it. If you've done it previously, then everything's going to be cached on your machine and it's going to install pretty quickly, like maybe in 15 to 30 seconds. So here we go. It's created the WordPress install. It's giving me the URL, the admin username and password, and it asks me, what do you want to do? And I can just use the arrow keys to toggle through. So if I want to open the WP admin, I just go to open WP admin and press enter. And this is going to open up the WordPress admin panel in my browser. So here I am. This is a local WordPress install. This lives in the Katalyst sites folder in my home folder on my local machine. And as you can see, Oxygen is pre-installed and Agent Connector is pre-installed. And it pre-connected Claude to Agent Connector. So if we go back to Katalyst here, what do I want to do? I can go to the arrow keys and just do open Claude Code. Press enter. And this is going to open Claude Code. If you've saved the token, and that'll be in the documentation somewhere, you won't even have to log in. Otherwise, you will have to type login to sign into Claude before you can actually use it. Anyway, let's do Shift-Tab to get it into auto mode. Because this is running inside of a Docker container, it can't escape and do bad things to our local machine. So it's basically safe to let it do whatever it wants. Not entirely. These models can escape and do very crazy things. We don't even know what they can truly do yet, but this is, 99% safe. Much safer than running it in auto mode on your local machine. Let's do /model, and we're going to change this to Opus. And then let's say, hey, build me a landing page for a generic software as a service company using Oxygen. And just press enter. And Claude is now going to do this in the WordPress install you just saw. It's already connected. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back when it's done. So here we go. It's worked. It's done. It's built and published. So let's go back to our WordPress install and go to pages. And here's that new page it's created. And there we go. Our agent has created a page on our local WordPress installation. And once we're done, we can just go ahead and exit our agent. And this is going to take us right back to Katalyst. So now it asks us, what do we want to do? Open the WP admin or down arrow, open the site. We can open Claude Code again. We can go to a sandbox shell. This would be like a CLI inside the workspace container, or we can exit. And once we exit, that is going to stop the site. So if we went back to WordPress and refreshed, as we can see, the site is now down. It's no longer running. And it gives us a command to restart. It tells us your site lives in your users folder inside Katalyst sites, inside the name of the site. So to start it up again, you would cd into that folder. So I'll just copy this command, cd in there, and then npm run katalyst, paste, and now it's going to start the site up again. And let's go back here and refresh, and we can continue working. And then when we're done, again, of course, down arrows and exit. Katalyst has two system requirements. One is Docker. So if you just Google download Docker desktop, you will find this page, and then just click download Docker desktop and you can download and install it. It's easy to set up. And basically this containerizes the WordPress install and the agent. So it makes it much safer to run an AI agent on your local computer because it only has access to the container, not all the rest of your stuff. It also requires Node.js. So just go to node.js.org and then click the download button in the menu. And this is going to give you a download page. I use the pre-built installer. You can choose your operating system right here and then just download the installer and run it. And once you've run those, then you will be able to run that terminal command. So let's open the terminal and do it one more time. npm create oxygen-wp at latest. And there we go. Site name, default folder, Claude Code. Wait just a little bit. I'll speed up the video here. Okay, we're back. That took about 30 seconds. And here we have our WordPress install. You press enter and you are right in the WordPress admin panel. We don't only have the ability to control Oxygen from our agent. We can do basically anything we want. So let's go and open our agent. And let's say, hey, Claude, make me 10 blog posts about dogs. Shift tab to get it into auto mode. And I'm going to tell it, go ahead and put these in WordPress right away. I don't need to review first. So here we go. It says it's created the posts. Let's go to the WordPress install, go to posts, and there we go. So you're probably wondering, what is Katalyst? And Katalyst is a side project that I've been working on that I've now decided to ship to the public in beta, which sets up a containerized WordPress install using Docker. I've needed this for myself because I do tons of WordPress development, obviously, and I wanted a way to sandbox my agent inside Docker so I can just run it in YOLO dangerously skip permissions mode on my local computer and not really have to worry about, 99% of the things that could potentially go wrong by doing that, by Dockerizing it. And I wanted a quick way to fire up WordPress development environments. And, the other solutions, they're good for firing up WordPress development environments, but they're just not agent first. And this thing is. And I was just so sick of firing up a WordPress install and then manually installing Oxygen and manually installing whatever other plugin I was working on and then manually connecting my agent. It was just so much rigmarole to get something going. I just wanted one command. So I built this over time for my own use. And basically, it's finally ready for, I would say, beta testing. We'll build a website. We'll do a more formal announcement for this at some point. Right now, I'm going to mostly be focused on getting Oxygen and Breakdance's final versions out the door. But this is what it is. So you can just go to the GitHub page to get it. You can also get it on NPM. You can just type in npm create katalyst-wp at latest to use this thing directly to set up WordPress installs. No Oxygen, no pre-installed plugins other than the agent connector stuff that's going to connect your agent. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you like it.